If I wanted to make $200,000 or multiple six figures in the next 200 days, this is exactly how I would do it. And this is something that you can start on today. And it works especially well if you're already in a sector of real estate, whether you are a rehabber, a real estate investor, a real estate professional. And the first thing that I would do is I would buy a single lot in a subdivision. And the area matters. The area matters a lot. You have to be in a community where new construction is already active. But I would buy a lot for around $100,000 and make sure that the market has homes selling for between $800,000 and $1 million. And I'd build one single home. And I would keep my cost at around $160 a square foot for construction. I would try to keep my architectural and permitting costs at about $25,000 so that you're all into the home for around $500,000, call it $500,000. Then I'd list the house at $750,000, and after you pay your commissions and your closing costs, you will make a profit of $200,000. And this is not theory. This is a tangible strategy that you can implement today. There's some hurdles that you have to get through. You're going to make sure that you find the right market for starters in an area that has new construction already happening. And then you find a market where homes don't sit for very long. But you could do this today, and I'm doing it as we speak. I am helping a number of other people do it, and it's not theory. Buy a house, buy a lot, spend $100,000 on it, put a home there, keep your costs all in at $500,000. Do it in a market where you can sell the home for between $700,000 and $800,000, and by the time you pay all your costs, your interest, your carry, you will make $200,000, and you can build and sell in 200 days. I hope this one helps. I will see you guys on the next one.